What is fire and different types of fire accident. Okay, so this is a very good important information. If you have to get this information to your friends, parents, neighbors, and different types to use the fire. So first of all, how the fire will start? Okay, to start any fire, we need three elements. That is heat, oxygen, and fuel. Okay, what is that? Heat, oxygen, and fuel. So what is fuel? The fuel is the things which are burning in the fire. That could be a paper or wood. Okay, if it is burning in the fire, then we consider it as a fuel. What is fuel? The paper and wood, the material which is burning in the fire. Okay, oxygen means we get a plenty of oxygen in the atmosphere, right? Okay, and the heat can come from anywhere, from sunshine. Okay, anywhere. So in equal ratio, when these three elements go in a combination, then only the fire will start. Okay, we call it as a triangle reaction. Okay, so the three elements are mixing here and the fire will start. So what is that? So without the, if you remove one of the element from these three elements, so the fire will get off. For an example, if you remove the oxygen, so how if we light a candle and we place a glass on it, what will happen? For a while it will get put it out, because until the oxygen is there in the glass, it will light. After exhaust of the oxygen, what will happen? It will get put it out. So that's the without oxygen there cannot be survival of fire. So similarly, if we remove heat, how we remove the heat? If there is some fire here, we pour water on it. What will happen? The heat will be cooled down and the fire will get put it out. So this is the technique. If we go for any fire accident, we consider which element we have to remove it, whether it is a fuel or oxygen. Or heat will happen, it comes out and it will entire the room. So by the evening, someone will come and opens the door and he smells that there is a leakage in the LPG. What we do once, anyone if you come from outside, once we get into the house, what we do? They switch on the light or switch on the fan. So once if you switch on, what will happen? You get a spark. If you offer the switch also, you get a spark. So that spark and the LPG which is already filled in the room give the ignite to get a big blast. So if the LPG leaks entire the room, what you have to do? You have to open the doors and windows slowly. Okay, you have to dial fire vehicle number, fire control room. Which number you dial? Fire emergency number. Anyone? 101 is the fire safety number. In case of a fire accident, big fire accident, you call 101 so that our fire vehicle will come and he will rescue you. Okay? So if the gas leakage happens, you stand in the open place where it will be a safety. Parents are there. Just tell the parents that you can lift the LPG where the leakage is happening. They can bring it and place it in the open place. Nothing going to be happening. We can use it. Okay? So we have a short circuit symbol also here. So it means if the current is there, switchboard got fire, but current is in present, you can use this extinguisher to put out the fire where you never get a current shock. Okay, the fire will get put in and sodium bicarbonate is the chemical which is inside and it will come out. Once you pull it up and you press the trigger, you get a powder and gas outside and it will put out the fire. Okay, we call it as a portable fire extinguisher. Okay, we use this in initial state, starting state. Okay, is it clear? So mostly I will give some suggestions that if you go for any new building, we will cover that there is a few